Hello guys, so today we will talk about our module, that is point of sale payment group. So basically this module facilitates POS, that is point of sale users, to make different kinds of payment groups like cash, bank, a credit card and debit card. If any another payment acquirer will be also there, so different users can be able to group by different payment methods, and they can collect them in one point of sale payment group, and directly from point of sale screen they can be easily able to bifurcate different payment groups like cash, bank, credit and debit card, like that. So this is about the key features of module, and as you can see that this module extends the functionality of payments to support paying with multiple payment groups, and users can easily able to configure them. The configuration is so much user friendly, right? And it also reduces payment screen space size for point of sale session screens, right? So our module's compatibility is it can be run on Odoo Community Edition as well as Odoo Enterprise Edition, right? And also with Odoo.sh, right? Now let's see about module's functionality. So as you can see that we are already on point of sale screen over here. So in the configuration you will be able to see payment groups, right? So here we have made two payment groups. First is cash group and second is bank group, right? So in case group this payment method is like this: case 1 and case 2. So these all are payment methods. Basically these are the payment methods, as you can see, cash and bank, right? So we have collaborated all of these payment methods in respected payment groups. In this bank group, this bank 1, bank 2 kind of payment methods will be get used over here. And second thing, you have to go to the configuration of point of sale, right? And in this session, suppose right now currently this is session, point of sale session, and here at the downside you can be able to see payments option over here. So you have to define all kinds of payment methods which you will be gonna use in your particular point of sale session, right? And here you have to enable this option, that is enable payment general group, right? Now let's go to the point of sale screen. So as you can see, now I will just take some of products over here. So customer is already selected. All right, now I will go over here, and here you can be able to see different payment groups are here, as we have already configured, that is cash group and bank group, right? So when I will open this cash group, all of these generals as configured will be automatically get opened, as you can see over here, right? So basically suppose like this, I am just selecting this case general from case group and validate this. So like you will be easily able to see that this case method is successfully selected payment method there for case, and for that particular case method payment is done for this particular point of sale session, right? So like this we will be able to configure our payment groups and define different kinds of payment journals over there. So that is all about our module's functionality. Thank you so much for watching this video.